Today we are going to review the goofiest drone that we could find. This is so goofy. So before we start this video, we're gonna check all the parts of the drone. So you can see we got two propellers there and two there, and the drone is in a kind of goofy form. It's like round, which is different than the drone that we already reviewed in the other video. That's gonna be linked at the end of the video if you want to watch it. And when you turn it around, you can see all the system inside that makes the drone work, and the cables and everything. So you need to be careful with this drone. Also, it's not very solid, but the drone looks overall nice to play with, even though it's goofy, as you can see. Yo, look, it's small. Like, I can do this with my fingers and does the length of the drum. If I put it in my hand, look, damn, bro, it's crazy. So yeah, as you can see, this is like the battery, I think. So now that we look at all the things that are on the drone, let's now go see how it is to play with the drone. What is really goofy with this drone is that it works on the ground and also in the air. So we're gonna test both. So as you can see, this drone is in a way different shape than the drone that we already tested, and it has a four, I don't even know how we call these, but it has four. Okay, try to drift. You'll see, this drone is way too goofy. Now look what it does if you put it in the air. We need like to lift it in a way, like, yeah, exactly. Look at this drone. It's the goofiest drone. Oh damn. Whoa. Shit. Oh, damn, bro, this drone is way too goofy. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you liked it. And also, here's another drone vid right there that you can go see. Thanks for watching. See you on another video, guys.